Namaste children. We were discussing about linear equations in one variable. So now today's topic it is reducing equations to simpler form. So far we have discussed the equations which are in the simpler form. But here if you see the questions from exercise number 2.5, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So we have all are in the fractional form is there. They are not in the simpler form. So we should reduce them. We should change them to the simpler form. Simpler form is that is what we discussed in the previous classes. So that is done again by taking the LCM and simplifying those by cross multiplication. We may use cross multiplication and we will take the LCM of the denominators to simplify. Finally we will reach to the simpler form. So what we will do here, the same concept we will apply for this kind of sums also. We will bring the variables one side and constants to the other side. That is the first step. So after bringing them, you see any simplifications are there, directly you can do there. If not, you take the LCM and LCM of the denominators, change them to the like fractions. If you find fractions, then you subtract or add depending upon the arithmetic operation. Then we will get into the original form, that is the simpler form, linear form we will get. Clear children? Yes, we will try one question. We will do now. So first bit from exercise number 2.5, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here all are there in the form of fractions. So first thing what it is, we have to transpose the variables one side and the constants to the other side. Now you see here x by 2 and x by 3 it is added to 1 by 4. So transpose x by 3 to LHS and minus 1 by 5 to the RHS. So transpose x by 3 to LHS and minus 1 by 5 to RHS. That is transpose in first step. X by 2, so minus x by 3, that is equals to 1 by 4, transposing minus 1 by 5 to RHS to become plus 1 by 5. Now we observe we have the variables on left hand side and constants on the right hand side. So you need to simplify. So you take the LCM for 2 and 3, both are prime numbers. Therefore their LCM will be what? The product of those two numbers, that is 2 and 3 is 6. Similarly, right hand side also we have fractions are there. Take the LCM of 4 and 5 to add 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So LCM for 4 and 5, they are consecutive numbers, they are co-primes. So their product itself will be the LCM. Their product itself will be the LCM. Now we take here LCM of 2 comma 3, it is 6, and LCM of 4 comma 5, it is 20. 4 5s are 20, their product. Now simplify this. So take the common denominator as their LCM 6. Now divide this LCM 6 with the denominator 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 is the quotient. The quotient is multiplied by the numerator x, that is 3 into x. It is 3x. Now what is the sign? Minus, keep minus. Divide the LCM 6 with the second denominator 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 into x is 2x. That is equals to, again follow the same steps, similar steps for RHS. Now LCM for 4 and 5 it is 20. So it is 20. LCM is 20. Now divide the LCM 20 with the denominator 4. 4 5s are 20. 5 is the quotient. The quotient is multiplied by 1. 5 into 1 it is 5. We have plus, keep plus. Then divide the LCM 20 with the denominator 5. 5 4s are 20. 4 into 1 it is 4. 4 into 1 it is 4. Now simplify. We have 3x minus 2x. 3 minus 2 it is 1. 1x, or simply it is x divided by 6. That is equals to 5 plus 4, 9 divided by 20. 9 divided by 20 we got. Now what it is? So we got two fractions, x by 6 or 9 by 20. Here apply the cross multiplication method. So what we get by cross multiplying? X into 20, that is equals to 9 into 6. X into 20, that is equals to 9 into 6. That is, now we wanted to find x. So that is x into 2, it is 20 into x, it is 20x is equals to 9 into 6, 9 6 are 54. Now this is the simpler form of the given equation. 20x is equals to 54 is the simpler form of x by 2 minus 1 by 5, that is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now we need to find x. Here 20x in the sense 20 into x, multiplication is there, so transpose to RHS, therefore it divides. Now x is equals to 54 by 20. 54 by 20, both are given numbers. Convert to the short form, that is a simpler form. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 10 twos are 20, 2 twos are 4, 5 minus 4 it is 1, and bring 4 14, 2 sevens are 14. That is x is equals to 27 by 10. X is equal to how much it is? 27 by 10. Therefore, the solution of this equation is 27 by 10. So what we did here is, we have brought the variables one side and constants to the other side. After bringing them, we have here fractions are there. We changed those fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominators, and we converted them to the like fractions. Then we simplified. We got two fractions as x by 6 and 9 by 20. By cross multiplication of these two, we will get x is equals to 27 by 10. So now we will discuss one more question, that is the third question. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So write the question, the given equation as x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now here we have the variables on both the sides are there, right hand side and left hand side. So transpose variables to one side and constants to the other side. So here we have x, write x minus 8x by 3, and right hand side what we have? Minus 5x by 2 is there, it is negative sign is there. So when we transpose to LHS, it will become plus 5x by 2, that is equals to what we have when we transpose to the left hand side, 17 by 6, and on left hand side also we have a constant plus 7. Transpose plus 7 to RHS, we get minus 7. Plus 7 means it is minus 7. Now so we got here x means it is what? X by 1. So the denominator for or left hand side, what are the denominators we have? 1, 3 and 2. Different denominators are there. So 3 and 2, they are prime numbers. So the LCM of these numbers it is 6. Similarly, 17 by 6 minus 7 by 1. 7 means it is 7 by 1. LCM for 1 and 6 it is, again it is 6 itself. Find their LCMs and simplify that. Now I am changing directly here. It is LCM for 1, 3 and 2 it is what? LCM of 1, 3 and 2 it is 6. Their product itself, they are co-prime numbers. So now the common LCM it is 6. Divide the LCM 6 with the first denominator. Here the first denominator is 1. 1 6 are 6. 6 into x it is 6x. So now we have minus sign is there, keep minus. Divide LCM 6 with the second denominator 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 is the quotient. 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16, 16x. Now we have here plus sign is there, keep plus. Divide LCM 6 with the denominator 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. 15x is equals to. Similarly, on right hand side, LCM for 6 and 1 it is, then product it is 6 itself. So take LCM it is 6. Now change, divide. The LCM 6 is the first denominator. 6 ones are 6. 1 is the quotient. 1 into 17 it is 17 minus 1 into 6. That is 1 6 are 6. So we divide, the quotient is 6. 6 into 7 it is 42. Now simplify here. 6x minus 16x plus 15x. First you add the what it is positive terms. 6x plus 15x is equals to 21x. 21x minus 16x is equals to 21 minus 16 is 5. Therefore we get it as what? 5x divided by 6, that is equals to 17 minus 45. Subtract 17 from 42, and 42 is having the minus sign, therefore get minus 17 minus 42. It is how much we get? 25. 25 by 6. 25 by 6 we got here. That is add the positive values. 6 and 15 it is 21. 21x minus 16x it is 5x by 6. 17 minus 42 is minus 25 by 6. Now go for cross multiplication. So what we get by cross multiplying? By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, what we get it is 5x into 6. 5x into 6, that is equals to 25 into 6. 25 into 6. Now 5x into 6, 5 6 are 30. 30x is equals to 25 into 6, 25 6 are 150. 150. Now this is the linear form of the given equation. Simpler form. Now 30x means is 30 into x. Transpose 30 to RHS. As it is multiplying, therefore it divides. That is x is equals to 150 divided by 30. 150 divided by 30. Write in the simpler form, lowest form, simplest form. That is 0 and 0 are cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 divided by 1 is equals to what it is? 5. Therefore, x is equals to 5. So here, here it is, we have minus 25 is there. Therefore, it is minus 25. Minus into plus, minus 25 into 6 it is 150. Minus 150. So here it is, minus 5 by 1 means x is equals to what? Minus 5. So what is the solution of this equation? Minus 5. So like this, we will change the given equations to linear form, that is the simpler form. Then we will solve the equation. Is it clear, children? We will discuss 2 more sums related to this. Yes, we will discuss now the 8th bit from 2.5 exercise. That is 15 into whole y minus 4 means 15 is multiplied by y and 15 is multiplied by minus 4. Minus 2 into whole y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equals to 0. And the 9th question it is 3 into whole 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equals to 4 into whole 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now the 8th bit we will discuss now. Here it is. The question given equation is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now you simplify this. See, we have come across algebraic expressions and identities. That is multiplication of a monomial by a binomial, or a binomial by a monomial. Monomial and a binomial. How do we multiply? We will multiply each and every term of the binomial with the monomial. While we are multiplying, be careful with the arithmetic signs. That is plus into plus, that is plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus it is minus, minus into plus it is also minus. Be careful with the signs. Now you simplify using the algebraic expressions concept. So 15 is multiplied by y, 15 is multiplied by minus 4. What is the sign for 15? It is plus, plus into plus, plus. What is the coefficient for y? It is 1. 15 into 1 it is 15, into y it is 15y. Now plus into minus, minus 15 into 4, 15 fours are 16. Similarly the second factor, minus into plus it is minus, 2 into y, 2y, minus into minus it is plus, 2 into 9, 2 nines are 18, then with plus 5. Plus into plus, plus 5 into y, 5y, plus into plus, plus 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, that is equals to 0. Now we regroup the terms, write variables at one place and the constants at one place. That is 15y minus 2y plus 5y. Similarly the constants, minus 16 plus 18 and plus 30, that is equals to 0. Now we will simplify. 15y positive, 15 and plus 5 both are positive. 15y plus 5y is equals to 15 plus 5 is 20. 20y minus 2y is equals to what it is? 18y. So what we get by simplifying this? It is 18y. Or 15 minus 2, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18, 18y. Similarly, minus 16 plus 30, we will get minus 30. Minus 30 plus 18, we will get it is minus 12. Or you can simplify, first you add all the positive things, then you add all the negatives. We will get one more step extra. 15y plus 5y is 20y minus 2y. So similarly, minus 16, get two positive integers are there, add them. 18 plus 30 it is 48, plus 48 is equals to 0. Now 20y minus 2y is equals to 18y minus 60 plus 48. Subtract 48 from 60, we will get 20. 8, 12 will get 12. So we will keep minus sign because 60 is having the minus sign. Therefore it is minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we got a linear equation. So to solve this, transpose minus 12 to RHS will become plus 12. That is 18y is equals to 0 plus 12. That is 18y is equals to 0 plus 12, it is 12. Now we need to find y. So transpose 18 to the RHS. 18 in the sense it is, here it is multiplying 18 into y. So when we transpose to RHS, it is divided. That is y is equals to 12 by 18. Simplify this. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Therefore, y is equals to what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Now the solution of the equation is 2 by 3. So what we did, we have used the concept of algebraic expressions. We have multiplied each monomial with a binomial and we brought the like terms at one place, that is having variables and the constants. Then we simplified, we got y is equals to 2 by 3. Now the question number it is 9. So what is this question number 9? It is 3 into whole 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11, that is equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 4 minus 17. 4 minus 17. Now as usual you multiply with the 3. 3 into plus 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 15z plus into minus minus 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Then with minus 2. Minus into plus is minus 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. 18z minus into minus it is plus 2 into 11. 11 2s are 22. That is equals to right hand side multiply with 4. Plus into plus plus 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32z plus into minus, minus 4 into 13, 13 fours are 52. Then what we have is minus 17. Now simplify this. 15z minus 18z. 15 minus 18. So subtract 15 from 18, we will get 3, and 18 is greater, it is having minus sign. Therefore what we get? Minus 3z. Now minus 21 plus 22. 22 minus 21 it is 1, and 20 is having the plus sign, therefore we get plus 1. Minus 3z plus 1 is equals to, it is 32z minus 52 minus 17. So both are negative integers, add the numbers and take the common sign minus. 52 plus 17 is equals to what it is? 69. Minus 69. Now transpose variables one side and constants to the other side. Now we got the linear equation form, that is the simpler form. Transpose plus 1 to RHS and plus 32z to LHS. Plus 32z will become minus 32z. That is minus 3z is equals to, minus 3z minus 32z is equals to minus 69. Transpose plus 1 to RHS, you get minus 1. Now minus 3z minus 32z both are negative integers, add the numbers and take the minus sign. 3 plus 32 is 35. 35z is equals to minus 69 minus 1, negative integers both are, add the numbers and take the negative sign. 69 plus 1 is equals to 70. Now minus 35z means minus 35 into z. So minus 35 is multiplied by z. So transpose minus 35 to RHS as it is multiplying, therefore it divides. That is z is equals to minus 70 divided by minus 35. Minus and minus are cancelled. Now 35 ones are 35 twos are 70. You can do it, or you go for with small numbers. 5 sevens are 35. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 2 and bring 0 10. 5 fours are 20. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Now z is equals to what? 2. Therefore, what is the solution of this equation? 2. Z is equals to 2. So we applied the algebraic expressions concept and we simplified. We got the solution as z is equals to 2. Clear, children? Now we will discuss one more sum, that is fifth bit from exercise number 2.5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. The first and foremost step it is bring the variables one side and constants to the other side. So we have variable minus t is there on the right hand side. Transpose that to RHS, it will become plus t. Therefore, what we get as 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus t will become plus t, that is equals to 2 by 3. Now we have the variables are there on the left hand side. Simplify them. Constant, only one constant is there on the right hand side. So plus t means is t divided by 1. Now there are fractions with the different denominators, that is unlike fractions. So take the LCM of the denominators. 4, 3 and 1 all are co-primes. So their LCM is their product itself. So 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 1 it is 12. Now LCM of 4, 3 and 1 is equals to 12, their product itself. Now change these fractions. Now the LCM is 12. Divide the LCM 12 with the first denominator 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 is the quotient. That quotient 3 is multiplied with what? 3t minus 2. Then what? Next what sign is there? We have minus sign. Keep the minus sign. So second denominator is 3. Divide 12 with 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 is the quotient. That quotient 4 is multiplied with what? 2t plus 3. 2t plus 3. Now what we have the third term? Plus t by 1. So plus sign t plus. Now the denominator is 1. Divide LCM 12 with 1. 1 12s are 12. 12 is the quotient. 12 into t. 12 into t, that is equals to 2 by 3. Now here you see the numerator we have monomial and binomial multiplication. They find their products. So plus into plus plus, 3 into 3 it is 9, 9t. Plus into minus minus, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Then plus into minus, that is minus into plus minus, 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Minus into plus, it is minus, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Then plus into plus plus, 12 into 2 it is 20, whole divided by the LCM it is 12, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now subtract or add the variables and constants. Now what we get? 90 plus 20 is there. Both are positive integers are there. 9 plus 12 it is 21. So 21t, then minus 6, minus 8 and minus 12 all are negative integers. All are negative integers. Sorry. Here we have minus 4 into 2 it is minus 8 into t, minus 8t. Now, so 9t plus 12t is equals to 21t. 21t minus 8t is equals to what we get is 21t minus 8t is 13t. 13t. Add 9 positive, 12 positive. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 minus 8, it is 13t. Then minus 6 minus 12. Both are negative integers, add them. 6 plus 12 is 18, that is minus 18 divided by 12, that is equals to 2 by 3. Now we got two fractions, independent fractions. Now by cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, multiply 3 into 13t minus 18 is equals to 2 into 12. So again we got monomial and binomial. Multiply this. Plus into plus plus. 3 into 13. 13 3s are 39t. Plus into minus minus. 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54. That is equals to 2 into 12. 12 into 2 it is 24. So now we got the simpler form. Transpose minus 54 to RHS, it will become plus 54. That is 39t is equals to 24 minus 54 will become plus 54. That is 39t is equals to 24 plus 54. It is 78. Now t is equals to 39t means 39 into t. T is multiplied by 39. So when we transpose 39 to RHS, it is divide. It divides 39, 78 by 39. Both are the multiples of 3. You divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6. 1 and bring 8. 18. 3 6 are 18. Now 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are 26. So 2 by 1 means is 2. Therefore, t is equals to what? 2. Therefore, what is the solution of this equation? It is 2. Clear, children? So what we did? We have brought all the variables one side and constants one side, and we took the LCM of the denominators. Then we simplified. Here also we use the concept of algebraic expression, that is product of a monomial and a binomial. After cross multiplication, we will get on simplification. T is equals to 2 is the solution of the given equations. Clear? So I hope you understand today's concept, that is reducing the equations to simpler form and solving those kind of equations. And your homework is exercise number 2.5, question number 2, 4, 6, 7 and 10. Is it clear, children, today's concept? Now we will discuss in the next class about the word problems, the applications of these linear equations. Thank you very much.